Ecoland, going to Talomo.
And guys, we're kind of silent because we're silent because we're quiet because there's someone sleeping.
This is
My patience is leaving my husband for Is this entertaining? We're kind of wild. I got you. I think the road is closed.
it's open.
No, it's closed.
No, it's open because
S7
we're.
is gonna be closed.
Oh, it's already open. It won't close.
Oh, it won't close at
Yes.
11?
No, 24 hours open.
is leaving, my husband for beating. My patience is leaving, my husband for beating. Jinx, Ganis na pala na to.
So we're going to Matina, APLAYA.
Let you down and take your phone. I'm a fucking babago. Manawin me to my bros. Let me focus on my phone.
Now this is unsa gani ni siya, Min?
Costa!
Yung mga imnanan. Ayan to. Bungguyan. So right here we'll see Bungguyan. Yeah, that's Bungguyan.
There's a house floating in the water.
Yeah, Bungguyan gani. Bungguyan. Bungguyan.
Guys, there's actually a lost video. There's actually a lost There's actually a last video. There's actually a first video that I made with my own self.
Yeah, what's your video?
No, it's literally when I was a kid. Like
Oh.
tree.
And to the left there's a new restaurant.
Like I had the Iron
What's
Man
this?
t-shirt that Iron Man.
The Mangrove. It's a new restaurant to the left. Yeah. Okay.
Guys, you're gonna like it here, cause if you fit Filipino in Philippines, Davao City, you'll be right there, and you can play playgrounds or biking or just do the things you want, except for robbing. Stop robbing.
Ito may Matina, APLAYA, no? Na crossing. Kasi kanina padulong sa
APLAYA pa ka.
Sigal. So this is the crossing going to Sigal. This one.
Seagull Island.
That's going to Sigal. But we're going straight, going to Talomo.
Hey, no asking for my chinga.
Guys, we're kind of wild. Guys, just wait, because we're gonna see the playground. We're gonna see the playground.
No, we're not going to the playground. We're going to Talomo, not Gulf View.
The view?
Not Gulf View, only Talomo.
We can't see the view of we can't see the
Excuse me,
view.
I know that was the original, okay?
We can't see the view of that
Magic
playground.
floating city. No,
Yeah.
magic floating
But it
city.
was so pretty there. It was so pretty.
Ito may ang restaurant na to. Ano ganito na restaurant? So it's Malagos Restaurant at Matina, APLAYA. Oh.
Anything and everything they want, son.
approaching the bridge. Going from Matina APLAYA to Bangkal.
And guys, we're gonna go home cause it's kinda late out. Cause it's kinda late already.
It's around 10:30 in the evening.
Yeah. If you're watching this, maybe you're the first viewer.
Thank you for watching.
We're not yet finished. Take care of watching. So we're going to the bridge, up to the bridge.
Up to the
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Rahl Bros. Say hello, guys. Hello. These are the Rahl Bros going home.
Don't ask me for my chewing gum. I like that.
Laksan mo sounds kuya.
guys,
Oh, look at that. So that's, what do you call that, mommy? That's just a yes. Jack's Ridge. So this is Jack's Ridge. And there are a bunch of TMC here. How do you? TEU.
I wanna tell this.
They're stopping by and catching. Oh yeah, those who are parking at the sides. Because you can't park. See, you can't park. No, don't park.
Hey, Dad,
Don't
can you
park
see
at the
that
side.
in the camera?
Yep.
Can you see that in the camera?
Yes.
But we can't see it.
You guys separate niya yan?
We can't see that thing in the.
We're going to upload it
we can only
later.
see.
We're going to
Guys,
upload
if
it
you
later.
see that, you're lucky.
Yeah, so there are a bunch of people parking at the sides and looking over the water.
Thing disappeared. We found it.
Still allowed as of now, I think so. But it won't be later on.
I think that's an entity up there.
So now we're going down to Bangkal. And then Talomo. Actually, we're already near the Talomo Exit.
Dad, can we go at Lola's house?
Lola's already asleep. Next week lang late. Okay guys, so this is the exit for Talomo. We're approaching it for
I want to
in a minute or
see
two.
the viewers to my grandma.
Kahit sa doon sa
So these are the beach. You can't see it anyway. So it's quite dark as of now. The lights are not yet on. The bridge, only the bridge has the lights, and far off you can see the lights at Gulf View, Coastal Road. But we're going to exit at Talomo right now.
Meron kang ano dyan niya? Meron kang world's smallest violin.
Okay, so this is the Talomo exit. That's it. We're turning right and exiting Talomo, so we go directly to Puan. Okay, that's it. Bye bye guys. See you later. See you in next videos. Say bye bye.
Subscribe! Subscribe!
At
Rahl Bros!
subscribe and like.